much. Thank you.
I want to start there. A very successful tour for
Yes.
Dear Heart. Kamusta?
Very happy, very fulfilled. And it went so well.
So
Amazing.
smooth.
Yeah. Yung parang feeling ko, I didn't know what to expect eh. Kasi first time namin dalawa mag-tour ni Gabby. So, it went so well.
Right.
And I was so happy. My heart is full. And then, of course, everybody was so happy to watch us na nakakataba ng puso.
Grabe.
Thank you so much po sa lahat ng nanood, sa lahat po sa inyong nanood.
Hindi ko alam kung pa-teaser mo yun na parang may 2025 continuation.
Meron. Yeah. Hindi pa lang namin alam exactly where.
Okay, but you're confirming it.
Well, so far, yes.
Yes. Pero saan na? Doon pa din? Or other continents na?
I think we're going back, but I think we may do an Australia.
Okay.
We may do a Middle East. I don't know if those are confirmed. I know Australia's in the works. I don't know if Middle East is.
That sounds like a good location to visit.
Yeah, I
diba?
did my solo recently. So, I love Australia. You know, we're going to different cities. So, like I did, and then we're going back to the States, I think.
Alam kong matagal nang tapos yung Dear Heart here in Manila, no? Pero did you ever imagine na it would extend up to...
No, and I wasn't sure that we would really get along the whole time. But we did, yeah, we became closer. It's amazing. It took
Okay.
us decades to get here. So, it's a blessing. It's a...
renewed friendship.
Yes. I'm holding him to that.
Yeah.
Yeah.
May bonus pa ako nakita ha, Ate Shawi.
You?
Barry Manilow ha.
Oh my gosh. We performed exactly where he sang the
I
day
was
after
told.
he did. Yeah.
I was told.
And it's a very special theater because apparently Barbra Streisand opened that theater. So it felt so special. Parang, what are we doing here?
The energy here
yes,
is...
my gosh. So, I met Barry Manilow and, I said, can I hug you? Because I've loved him all my life. My brother and I used to listen to his albums after school every single day. Nung ganito pa kalaki yung mga plaka, di ba? So, he was so sweet. And then I was waiting for them to email us the photos. But before they did, he posted it on...
Instagram.
Somebody sent it to me, Facebook and Instagram. So, syempre kilig na kilig ako, di ba? Parang alam na nila, parang singer din to, siguro nalaman. So, it was so... it was just amazing. I love him so much. And then, I've been doing medleys of his songs.
Right. Yung video mo pa nga lang habang pinapanood siya.
Tsaka umiyak talaga
Fan
ako.
moment.
Nung ganyan talagang tumuturi los, mamaya tatawa. Ang galing niya eh. Ang galing niya, very engaging, very
Right.
nice. Ang sarap panoorin.
Grabe.
Nafe-feel mo yung buti niya, yung bait niya.
Grabe yung tour na to talaga.
Oo,
Daming,
grabe, ang dami.
unforgettable
grabe.
moments.
Mm-mm.
But now you're back.
Yes.
And we're talking about this successful series that you have for Prime Video.
Yes,
I saw the first episode pa lang, so I'm still watching the 2, 3, 4. But how was this so far for you? Because I saw your post.
Yeah.
You praised the little girls.
Oh, Zia. I just said kanina to someone else, I said, to me, I think she's the most magical thing to have happened in this industry in a long time. She's a 6-year-old powerhouse. She's intelligent and she's emotionally... Hindi ko alam saan siya humuhugot ng emosyon kasi ang liit-liit niya, ang bata-bata niya. Tapos naglalaro siya pag breaks, normal na normal. Magaling mag-alaga yung mami at daddy niya. I'm so happy about that, proud of that. And wala kaming tigil na pagpapaalala sa kanya. Kami nila Julia, kaming lahat. Kamayabang, don't become mayabang. Kasi when this comes out, sisikat ka. So, when people tell you you're beautiful or ang galing mo, just say thank you, feel good about it, be thankful for it, pero wag yayabang. I know she's gonna go a long way.
For someone who has been in the industry for a long time, and I mean it with all my heart, how do you feel that you're seeing new blood coming in? And not just new blood with really good
Amazing, yeah, amazing new blood. I remember when I was new blood myself.
I saw your photo.
Yes.
You posted it.
Oh my goodness, thank you. No, but I remember, if nobody gave me a chance and nobody supported me or made me feel welcome, I don't know kung saan ako ngayon. So I make sure I'm the same when I welcome new talents.
Right.
Because, everyone deserves a break. So when they get a break, I'm happy for them. And I'm happy to give all the support I'm able to.
Actually, you're known for that. hindi ka madamot.
Thank you.
For
Thank you.
breaks, for love.
Because life is so short, MJ. You can't live it just for your own benefit.
Yeah, true.
No. I think what makes someone happy is when you make other people happy. It does come back to you. It makes you feel very happy.
Right.
You know, you just, diba, you can't describe
Exactly.
that feeling. Iba yun sa happiness na binibigay lang sa'yo. Iba yung dulot nung may ginawa ka.
Yeah.
So, alam mong may napasaya ka. Iba yun.
True. Agreed.
Diba?
But how does it feel giving life to parang Oprah ka dito na Barbara Corina.
Alam mo, di ba you saw, di ba? You see that I have never role like this.
Exactly.
Never. So, minsan sino-channel ko si Sherry Hill, Cheech, how would you have done this? Na medyo na-tweak ng konti kasi, alam mo si Sherry, may sariling amazing energy yun eh. Pag pumasok yun lahat, ganun ka talaga, arresting siya eh. Oh. So, no, this one, based lang on yung mga roles. Si Sherry was really, in person, very sweet. Nakakatawa yung roles niya, lagi siyang mataray. Pero pag kasama kami, never mo makikita yung ganun. So, pero, it just proves how amazing she was as an actress. But, dito, si Miranda ganun that helped me a lot to attack her in that way. Attack that role in that way. So, I had really never portrayed a role like this before.
First
And
time
I enjoyed it. So, I miss Miranda.
Refreshing.
Yes.
Refreshing
Actually,
for us.
yes. So, it's nice to know that it's refreshing for people to see. And for me also, iba naman, di ba? And it's parang, it was challenging for sure. Pati yung boses ko, si Direk would always remind me, use your low tone, so your alto. So, pati pag-deliver ng lines, medyo mas... But it's I miss her. Because, Miranda wasn't always that hard, that tough. So, makikita nyo sa pagdaan ng panahon sa istorya natin, this is just really the very tip of the iceberg. We know what we did. So, oh my God, alam namin mga eksena namin. Oh my God, ang dami pa pong mangyayaring. Ang gaganda ng mga eksena. Alaga lahat ng artista. So, ito yung babalik siya somehow dun sa bago siya naging ganon. Maraming mangyayari sa kanya.
A couple of netizens uploaded that scene when you confronted Janica. Na parang sinabi mo sa kanya na,
This the episode 4 ba?
or
Was it?
yata, yung parang tumakbo yung bata.
Oo. Simple lang pero...
Yung low voice na sinasabi mo na.
Oo. Yun.
Ano
Yun yung iba.
Mega.
Ano ba yung sinabi? Be honest with me. Meron bang chance na naglayas yung bata? Kasi bakit nung nakita ka niya, tumakbo siya? Kung maalala sa parang ganun, di ba? Yung boses. Always ganyan. So, yung ganyan. Always the low,
Iba refreshing sa amin yun.
Thank you.
But parang unti-unti nang nag-unravel sa viewers the topic
Yeah.
and the social relevance
Yes.
nung series.
Mm-mm.
Why do you think this will resonate sa Filipino viewers?
The whole show?
Yeah.
Because we touch on a subject that hasn't really been touched on so widely before, which is child abuse and the effects on not just the child but everyone around her. So it's nice in the sense that we are creating awareness about it, na baka merong mga magulang na sa hirap ng buhay minsan, yung stress mo na parang you take it out on your child or your children, na ang tingin mo, dinidisiplina mo, pero actually minsan over na. So, para malaman lang nila na mali pala yun, there's always a better way na siguro yung palo, yung tsinelas, ganyan, which we did when our kids were small, parang okay lang yan na afterwards kami noon explain namin bakit, para lang maalala. But when they hit the age of understanding, isa sa mga anak namin, kinakausap na namin kasi hindi na effect yan parang mas dapat naiintindihan. So, merong na-establish na trust at respeto.
Right.
Na you're still the authority figure, but you are teaching the child not to do certain things and to be disciplined, but showing respect and explaining to the child na you're doing this not for yourself, but for them.
Right.
But for the child.
Right.
Kasi sila yung magdadala ng paglaki, hindi na ikaw. So, and we always say it's more painful for us to have to discipline you, but we have to do it because we love you very much. There are things na, yung batang maliit, like yung character ni Zia, si Grace, yun mo yung ginagawa nung boyfriend ng mama niya at saka ng mama niya sa kanya. Ay, hindi ko ma-imagine na nangyayari talaga sa tunay na buhay, but sadly, meron talaga. So, I hope ang sakit, diba, sa puso. Kasi lalaki yung bata, meron kayong binigay sa kanyang trauma na hindi lang siya yung maapektuhan nun, kundi yung mga magiging parte ng buhay din niya habang lumalaki siya at hanggang pagtanda niya. So it's a very touchy but important subject.
That's true.
Na dapat talaga tahakin.
Disturbing, but needs
Disturbing
to be
but necessary.
necessary.
And talagang, and we're handling it in a way na it's tastefully done, but you cannot hide
Right.
the way na the child is being hurt. It's not just to justify the actions of Anna, Julia's character, and everybody's reaction to that, pero para makita yung pagkagrabe
Yeah.
ng sitwasyon at maintindihan na mali yun.
Tama.
You don't do that to a child. You do not ever do that to a child. Even to a spouse, an adult, you don't do that.
And
diba?
a human being.
Oh, a human being. Ay, iba na lang yung syempre pag nangangailangan talaga ng gano'n at napakawalang hiya. Iba naman yun.
Totoo.
Pero, I mean, case-to-case basis.
Right.
Pero iba.
I go now to Julia.
Yes.
The last time I spoke to you kasi parang hindi pa kayo nag-roll, pictorial pa lang. Pero now that everything's done, how was it?
We're even closer now. Because after Provinciano, we became even closer kahit nang wala ng trabaho. Kasi we never lost touch. We would talk. And we know each other so much better now. So when we were doing our scenes together in Saving Grace, magtitinginan lang kami. It was so easy. Oo. Kasi mabilis. Kasi
Galing.
I love her so much and she
Yeah.
loves me back. So I have a very, very special, loving relationship with Julia. I really do love her very much.
Ang dami mong anak-anakan sa
Oo,
showbiz.
oo, maraming anak-anakan. Pero some are closer to me than others.
Right. Oh, ito pa isang anak-anakan. I wanna get your comment.
Yes.
Kasi gusto ko kilig naman tayo ngayon. Yung mga anak mo, Alden at Catherine, ano masasabi mo dyan?
May balitaan mo kung ano bang nangyayari.
Ay.
Wala ako dito ng matagal.
I'm sure yung mga nakakarating naman sa'yo.
Alam ko hit yung movie nila. So I'm
Right.
very proud of them, very happy for them. Congrats, Alden and Catherine. My God, you showed them again. Wala naman duda yon, pero grabe, I'm so proud. Ano nangyari?
Well, people are teasing them.
Sabi ko naman sa'yo nun, di ba, kung totoo, kasi nahiya ako magtanong eh. Pero, no, but if it's true, I don't think there'll be anyone happy.
Yeah.
Because nakatrabaho ko silang pareho. Mas close si Alden sa akin ang dihama kaysa kay Catherine. Pero, I had a great working experience with Catherine. She's such a lovely, lovely girl. Alam mo yung parang parehong mabuting tao, parehong mabait, parehong mabuting anak. Parang,
Bagay ba?
syempre! Syempre naman!
Botong-bota si Mega.
Ganito. Mahal ko silang dalawa. So, kung saan sila masaya, doon ako.
Yeah.
Pero, kung masaya sila sa isa't isa, mas gusto ko yun.
I love it. Kanina, I touched on it before we started this conversation. What a year.
What a year. What a second half of the year.
Naipon lahat? Naipon lahat?
Naipon lahat. Minsan may mga taon na ganun eh. Parang sa umpisa, the first half, parang, wala pang ginagawa. Tapos, pagdating naman ng trabaho, parang hindi pa pwede nag-start to ng mga few months ago para hindi naman sabay-sabay yung ganun. Parang wala nang tulog, wala ano.
Yeah.
But you welcome it and you're grateful for it. So,
Right. Kasi iba na yung energy mo ngayon eh.
yeah!
2 years ago, I interviewed you.
Yeah,
You were like,
mabigat.
I'm already thinking of retirement.
Yeah.
Ganyan. But
It's still in
now-
my mind, but there's a different meaning to me now.
Okay.
Parang, Kasi sinabi sa akin, totoo nga, Kiko was telling me and Ate Vida sa mami to retire. But Kiko was also telling me, Cedar, parang, when you're tired, you can rest. You can take a long time to rest. Sabi ko, you don't have to stop. O nga, no? Ba't ba ako nag-iisip ng ganun? But as long as I think as long as I'm happy doing what I do, and as long as I see that I'm making people happy, why am I gonna stop if I'm enjoying myself and making them have fun too? I can rest when I'm really tired. I can take as long a break as I want, but I can always
But you're always
go on
workaholic.
working. No, not as much as
Not as
before.
much na.
No more na. Yeah, I'm happy na kasi. Parang I have more peace and I'm older,
Takes a lot of maturity.
Yeah,
Like,
and I like to choose my projects now. Like
Nice.
I like doing not just things I love, but things that I think people will love.
Right. Kasi as long as your concerts are selling out,
Yes.
your series are going number 1.
Are this good? Not
Diba?
just ratings wise, but quality wise.
Diba? Parang, there's no reason to stop. But maybe just really to choose lang
To
talaga.
choose
Tama
lang.
yun.
I'm not anymore, hindi na ako nakikipagkarera like before.
No need.
So I love this place. I'm enjoying it.
Ang ganda ng headspace mo ngayon.
Oh yeah, I'm just grateful.
Merry Christmas.
Thank
Happy
you.
New Year. Good
Thank
catch
you.
up.
Oh my gosh, that's right. Merry Christmas. Oh my gosh, that's
I
right.
love it. And advance happy birthday. Oh
Thank you. I know. I
Oh
know.
my God, January 6.
Yes, January 6. I'll be 59
Oh my God, mega.
with the heart of a 19-year-old.
Ah!
Hindi naman talaga nag-iiba, di ba? It doesn't change.
O ngayon parang mag-happy birthday na ako.
Thank you. Ikaw una-una.
Yes! Baka makabakasyon ka na eh.
Oo nga, baka. Ayan na.
Thanks, Ate
Actually,
Sally.
working pa rin. So, happily working. And then, heavy work starts again next year.
Why not?
Yeah.
Alright, thank you very much.
Thank you. Love you, Ems. Thank you. Naku, ayan. Buti si MJ to.
Asan ang singsing?
Na?
Ring.
Ito?
Alin dyan?
Alin ba? Anong
Binigay ni
tinatanong?
Gabi.
Ito.
Is that an Aura ring? What
It's
is
just
it?
a ring. It has no monitoring. Why?
Para gift lang niya.
Sabi niya, it's a friendship ring, sabi niya sa stage.
Oh, wow.
That's why I will hold him
Kaya.
to this friendship. Kailangan
I-focus mo
walang
nga sa
problema
camera.
yung... Huwag naman.
Friendship lang naman.
Kailangan walang problema yung mga darating na projects, kundi sisirain ko to.
That's cute. Cute naman yung gift. Yeah, I
He
love it.
gave it in one of the concerts. So, sabi niya, I've been wearing this, nandun naman yung sa YouTube.
Right.
Sabi niya, friendship ring daw. So,
Nice.
parang, it took us decades nga to get to this point. So, it's very precious to me kasi marami kaming pinagdaanan na, alam niyo naman yan, di ba? So, maraming times na masakit, nakakainis, mga ganun. Finally, that's why I told you, diba, I didn't know what to expect at the beginning, and then biglang we became friends. So, and we became closer. So, parang, you never expected these things to happen, and then they did. So, what a blessing.
Thank you.
I ain't never